Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrahtech. In this channel, it's tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some tips and trick videos, also unboxing videos, all kind of techie stuff. If you are new here, consider subscribing down, just smash that red button, like red so ever, like the thing. Okay, just kidding. And you can also follow me up in my social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everything Qurrahtech you can see. So let's start and check who is the winner. So you can see here, this is the giveaway which I connected through the gleam.io website. And you can see here it has ended. Total there are 29 entries. Before starting this video, I would like to say is that a couple of days before, yesterday it was Eid. Today is 22nd of July. Yesterday we had Eid prayer, so I couldn't make that video yesterday, so sorry for that. And I'm making this video today, 22nd of July. Within a couple of days, like 24 to 25, I'll upload the videos in YouTube. You can check it out. And another one thing, very important thing, is that you can see here there are only 29 entries, just 29 entries only, but there are approximately 160 entries. There were multiple entries. Same person, I mean, he entered more than a couple of times, so that is not good. Okay, just nothing. I deleted everything and now I kept running the original one entry and then picking it up. So you can see this is the thing, everything, and you can see total there are 29 entries. You can see many are from India, everything, India, Russia, some people are Russia. Okay, just some people are there, some, okay, everything. So we are going to select 3 winners. So let me just click draw the winners, and then as per page. Okay, let's start with the countdown. 3, 2, and 1. Let's click, and it's loading up 10%, 70%, and boom! Oh my god, these 3 are the winners. First winner is Pab Khan. He's from Mumbai, India. And the second one is from Mike Kapadia. I don't know to spell your word, sorry for that, don't mistake me. He's from also Mumbai, India. Sorry, my battery is somewhat draining, sorry for that. And the third winner is AR Jarifa 90. I don't know how to spell this, it's a jumbled word, sorry for that. He's from Bangalore, India. So congratulations for these 3 winners. And apart from them, those who are participated in this giveaway, don't get disappointed. Okay, I know the feel of a person who didn't win the giveaway. It will be kind of very much bad, something. Okay, don't get disappointed. I will do a giveaway in a couple of months after this one, so don't get disappointed. Everybody will get a chance to win the vouchers and gifts and all kind of thing. So be brave. Okay, I'm not just kidding. I'm not just going and playing you. This is the real fact, because many people out there, they are struggling to get such things. So that's all, and these 3 are the winner. So I will just email them. You can see the mails down there. So I'll just email them, and I'll give the voucher code and everything. So enjoy your day and everything. So before stopping this video, follow me in my social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can see Qurrahtech, and also follow me in my Ko-fi page and buy me a coffee page. These are support pages that I'm running. You buy some digital products, the Adobe products, all can. I'm like a cheaper rate from the company or from guys company. I got such things. So stay tuned and everything. If you're new like such things, this is a channel where I do tech videos. So don't forget to subscribe down the red button and follow me up and stay tuned. We will do enjoy the world, everything. So this is Rais Ahmed from Qurrahtech. See you next video. Bye bye.